The neuroscience and neurotech community here at Georgia Tech is really tremendous. It's all encompassing. People that are doing theoretical work, cellular work, translational work, work in humans, very broad scale with really exciting interest in going into dynamic areas. One of the core things that we're excited about in my lab is the ability to not only understand how the brain is changing after injury, say example a stroke or an amputation, but also how we can design better therapies to help support daily living after those events have occurred.
The research we do here at Georgia Tech is fundamentally interdisciplinary. We use neuroimaging techniques such as functional magnetic resonance imaging, EEG. We use virtual reality. We use neural stimulation tools. We combine all of these together to try and understand what brain regions people engage when they try to remember the layout of their environment or when they try and make a decision about which way to go in different situations.
In my lab, we build new artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms that form the basis for how we interact with the brain, so we can better discover how it works and develop new therapies for treating neurologic disorders. One of the clinical problems that we work on in my lab is the development of new brain stimulation therapies to help patients with depression that are not able to be helped by any existing therapy. This is an experimental approach, and it's important to develop new algorithms that help us understand how and when and why these types of therapies work for some patients.
In the field of Alzheimer's, our patients desperately need something. They need treatments that work. Our clinicians really don't have an option for them right now. In my lab, we study the neural basis of learning and memory. We aim to understand how many neurons work together to produce memories and how this goes wrong in disease, like Alzheimer's disease.
This is a living laboratory that we co-developed with Emory to serve people affected by mild cognitive impairment. If we think about what shapes us as who we are, it's our life experiences. And one of the main things that affects our experiences is the environment around us. And there's many things we can't change, but we can absolutely change our physical environment and the built environment.
Learning from the experiences of people who are living with neurological conditions is essential for understanding what priorities we should be considering, what technologies and scientific questions we should be addressing. Because at the end of the day, these are the people who are ultimately going to benefit from the very technologies we are creating.
Neurologic disorders and mental health disorders are one of the leading cause of impairment in the world. Georgia Tech's vision of impacting society could not be more powerfully served than by the neuroscience and neurotechnology work that we do here to try and understand the basis of those disorders and how we can change the future of the people who are suffering from them.